Before we begin today's review, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, NextGen Motors, so you never miss out on the latest updates, reviews, and launches in the world of automobiles. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Mazda CX-5, a next-generation SUV that continues to push the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. Mazda has refined this model with an even more premium and athletic look, staying true to its Kodo design philosophy. The exterior features bold, flowing lines, a sleeker front grille, slimmer LED headlights with striking daytime running lights, and a redesigned rear with sharp LED taillights. The 19-inch alloy wheels further elevate its road presence and give it a confident, sporty appeal. Step inside the cabin and you're greeted with an elevated sense of luxury and comfort. The 2026 CX-5 offers high-end materials throughout, including Nappa leather upholstery, soft-touch panels, and finely stitched details across the dashboard and doors. The driver and passenger seats are power-adjustable with heating and ventilation options, providing a truly comfortable experience for all seasons. The new 12.3-inch infotainment display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and is paired with a premium 10-speaker Bose audio system, delivering crisp and immersive sound quality. Under the hood, the new CX-5 comes with Mazda's Skyactiv G 2.5-liter gasoline engine available in both naturally aspirated and turbocharged variants. The standard version delivers 187 horsepower, while the turbocharged engine ramps it up to an impressive 256 horsepower. Both are paired with a refined 6-speed automatic transmission that's been tuned for smoother shifts and quicker throttle response. Drivers can choose between front-wheel drive or the iActive all-wheel drive system for enhanced traction and control in all road conditions. Mazda's signature G-Vectoring Control Plus also returns, improving cornering stability and overall ride comfort. In terms of safety, the 2026 CX-5 is fully equipped with the latest suite of iActive Sense technologies. These include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a new 360-degree camera system that aids in parking and tight maneuvering. These features work together to offer a safer, more confident driving experience for you and your passengers. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 is a significant upgrade that blends sporty aesthetics with modern comfort and cutting-edge safety features. It's the perfect choice for drivers who demand more from their SUV, whether it's performance, design, or daily practicality. Before we wrap up, make sure to subscribe to NextGen Motors, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment to let us know.